Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Logic. Now, the topic of this video is distribution. Distribution is an attribute of the term in a proposition. Remember the terms, their subject and the predicate. So how do we know if a subject or predicate is distributed? Well, if the proposition makes an assertion about every member of the class denoted by the term. Every member must be included in the assertion in order for that term to be distributed. If the proposition does not make an assertion about every member in the class, then that term is undistributed. Let's look at the four standard form categorical propositions. All S or P makes an assertion about all the members of S, but not all the members of P. So this proposition distributes the S term, but not the P term. No S or P makes an assertion about all the members of S and P. What do I mean by that? Well, notice the proposition claims to know something about every single member of both S and P. For example, if S stands for snakes and P stands for purple animals, the proposition would say that no snakes are purple animals. Now, you would have to know about every kind of snake in order to know that no snake is a purple animal. And likewise, you'd have to know about every single kind of purple animal in order to know that none of them are snakes. Now, since this proposition, no S or P, makes an assertion about all the members of both S and P, both S and P are distributed. Now, some S or P does not make an assertion about all the members of either S or P. It only says that at least one S is a P. So this statement distributes neither term. Now, some S or not P asserts that at least one member of S is outside of P. In other words, that all the members of P are separated from that one member of S. So this statement distributes P. Now, I know distribution can be confusing at first. So if you didn't catch all that, don't worry. But if you still want a passing grade, this following memory aid will help you. If you can remember this, then this is all you need to help you with distribution. Just remember this. Any student earning B's is not on probation. That's right. Any student earning B's is not on probation. Now, how is that going to help you remember? Well, look at the first letter in every word. Remember the names of the propositions A, E, I, and O? Well, look, an A proposition distributes the subject, which would stand for student in this case. An E proposition distributes both the subject and the predicate. An I proposition distributes neither the subject or predicate. So the N stands for both N and neither. And an O proposition distributes the predicate, or also known for stands for probation. Any student earning B's is not on probation. All right, very good. So in order for this memory aid to work, you must have already memorized the order of the standard form categorical propositions, which we did in the last video. All are, no are, some are not. All are, no are, some are not. Now this will let you memorize their names. A, E, I, and O. Remember that. So if you memorize these two things, you can plug it into the tool of any student earning B's is not on probation, which will help you. All right, let's work a few practice problems. Practice problem number 1. What term is distributed in this proposition? Press pause if you need to, because the answer will appear in 3, 2, 1. Ding! The subject. Next practice problem. What term is distributed in this proposition? Look at the key down in the bottom corner. Any student earning B's is not on probation if you need help. Press pause. The answer will appear in 3, 2, 1. Ding! Both terms are distributed. Next practice problem. What term is distributed in this proposition? Press pause if you need to. The answer will appear in 3, 2, 1. Ding! Neither term. And the final practice problem. What term is distributed in this proposition? The answer will appear in 3, 2, 1. Ding! The predicate term. Very good job on those practice problems. You're one step closer to earning your blue belt in logic. See our other videos on logic. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. And have a great day.